Guys, this is a review on LEGO Seaside House Set. Here's like the only minifigure that comes with it. He's a boy. He has a red shirt on. I don't know why, but he has gray pants. Here's the crab that comes with it. Here's the grill. They usually like one of the things to grill the fish on. This is a fish that you just place on the grill. And here's a wave. He just like a little sandcastle. I just decided to put the drink right there. That's a chimney. Guys, this thing actually opens up. And it can close. Guys, these two doors open. So does this one. I don't know why, but it won't open. Guess it's because like Legos are in the way. I wish it could have been like it's supposed to. These are torches. Here is the surfboard. Right there is a plant. I'm missing a blue piece that looks like this one. It goes right here. And here's just it's like windows. There's like the little shower, the washcloth to like the guy. And here's a tree on a beach. That's it. Bye guys. See you in the next review.